Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today's tutorial is on how to make a princess bustier blouse. A princess bustier blouse. You'll be needing your fabric, your paper. Your paper is where you draft the pattern, tape rule, scissors, tailor's chalk. To get started, you need to draw out your horizontal and vertical lines. Go ahead and mark your shoulder slope. For the front, I use 1.5 inches for the slope. For the back, use 1 inches for the slope. Also mark your armhole for both front and back parts. Go ahead and take your dart. I made use of 2 inches for my dart. Towards the center front, I marked 0.75 inch. And towards the side front, I marked 1.25 inch, making it a total of 2 inches. The dart should be taken on the under bust, waistline, and on the length. Go ahead and contour the under bust as shown using the curve ruler. Come down by 1.5 inches for your armhole. You can use between 1 to 1.5 inches dart intake for your princess dart bustier. Go ahead and connect your armhole princess dart to your curve ruler as seen here. This is how to place your curve ruler to get the new armhole. After you are done connecting the armhole, go ahead and connect the bust line to the waistline. After you are done connecting your dart, make sure to blend it. Make sure you blend it on your bustier point. On the armhole, replace the dart of 1.5 inches you took. To replace the dart, raise the princess dart line by 1.5 inches before connecting it to the bust line to get the new armhole. Study the picture well to understand it. Go ahead and connect your bust dart. Place your ruler as shown here and connect it together. This is what you are going to have after connecting the front parts. For the back bodies, on your waistline, go inward by 0.5 inch to eliminate zipper bulge as seen here. On your waistline, mark your dart of 1 inch, then 0.5 inch on both sides of the dart, then connect your side seam as seen here. On the waistline, towards the zipper side, mark 0.5 inch up and 0.5 inch down. This will completely remove excesses from the back bodies and give you perfect fit on your dress. This takes care of folds at the back part of your dress, especially for plus size women. Go ahead and connect the dart as seen here. Then you can cut out your pattern, then place the pattern on the fabric you want to use to make your bustier. Let me know in the comment section if you have any question. Please support me by subscribing to this channel, like as well as share my videos. Thank you.